पाताल भूतल व्योमचारिणश्चद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः. Now the benefits of the mantra are explained. Patala Bhutala Vyomacharinaha, those who travel in underworlds, on the earth and in the sky. Chadmacharinaha are those who can secretly change forms, become invisible, etc. Na drashtumapi shaktaste, they will not be able to lay eyes upon Rakshitam Ramanamabhihi, those who are protected by these names of Rama. Patala Bhutala Vyomacharinaschadmacharinaha na drashtumapi shaktaste rakshitam Ramanamabhihi. Rameti Ramabhadreti Ramachandreti Vasmaran Naro न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति. Rameti, Ramabhadreti, Ramachandreti va. Names like Rama, Ramabhadra, Ramachandra, Smaran, when remembered. Naro na lipyate papaihi, one will never be stained by sins. Bhuktim muktim cha vindati, will attain both prosperity in this life and salvation hereafter. Rameti Ramabhadreti Ramachandreti Vasmaran Naro na lipyate papaihi Bhuktim muktim cha vindati.